Hey everybody, what's up? Don Carr here with the Bogner Atma combo. This amp is laid out a little bit differently, but it makes total sense. So you've got the clean channel, which has its own controls, and you have channel 2 and 3, the dirty channels, which have some shared features, but when you change channels, the corresponding controls light up to let you know what you're twisting. Pretty slick. The switch right next to the input jack is your channel changing switch. Now you can also change channels with the included foot switch. You can see now that I'm in channel 1, which consists of this tone control, volume control, and a 3-way bright switch. And with the way it's voiced, you get a wide range of sounds. I'm playing a PRS 513 and I've got a Digitech Polera in the effects loop for reverb, and I've actually got that bypassed right now. I'm on the neck pickup in humbucker mode and I've got the bright switch engaged. So let's check out the bright switch. Here it is in the middle position. And here it is in the dark position. I'm going to switch to the bridge pickup, put the bright control back in the neutral position, and we'll mess with the tone control. This is not your average tone control. Typically you think of a tone control as being darker and brighter. This is completely different. In this position it's more of a scooped kind of blackface sound. As you turn it this direction more, you add mids, you add girth, you add some gain. It changes the whole character of the channel. As you turn up the volume control, it adds more than just volume. It adds some mid-range and some compression, a little more sustain, beef, a little bit of dirt. And so between that and the tone control, you can really get a lot of combinations. Let's check it out. Moving on to channel 2, you can see you've got a gain control and you've got a 3-band EQ, bass, middle, treble, and an overall volume control. You've also got a 60, 70, 80 switch which revoices the amp completely. 60 is a little more open, less gain. 70 is slightly more gain, slightly more compressed, revoices the low end, and 80 is the most gain and the most compressed. We'll start here in 60 mode and you can see that it kind of picks up where the clean channel left off. Switching to channel 3, it's like a higher gain version of channel 2. You can see you've got shared gain, bass, middle, treble, and its own volume control. So here's channel 3 in 60 mode. So here's something cool. You can still get a separate gain setting for channel 2. There is a control for the gain setting for channel 2 located underneath the back panel. It works in relation to the gain control on the top panel. It's actually a fraction of it. So depending on how you have it set, it's going to be less gain. The easiest way is to just show you. Right now I've got it set at about 50%. Now I'm going to turn it down. And now I'm going to turn it up. A really interesting thing to note too is that with it all the way up, it's the same gain setting as the third channel. With my channel 2 preset gain set back to 50%, here's channel 2 in 70 mode. And here's channel 3 in 70 mode. The Atma also has a switchable rectifier. You can choose between solid state or tube. I've been using the EZ81 tube rectifier to this point. Now that I'm going to switch to 80 mode, since it's more compressed, I'm going to use the solid state rectifier, which will kind of tighten up the low end and focus the attack better. So here's channel 2 in 80 mode. And here's channel 3, the higher gain version. To blow through some technical tales on the Atma here, you've got two EL84s for your power section. You've got an attenuator switch, which will take you from 18 to 5 to 1 watt. I've been playing in 18 watt mode the whole time. There are three ECC 83s in the preamp section. There's a line out. The buffered effects loop is wired in series and it's completely out of the audio path if nothing's plugged into it. And if you do have something plugged in, it sounds great. You've got jacks for 4, 8, and 16 ohm speaker outputs. Now the Atma combo comes loaded with a Celestion G12H30 that's at 16 ohms. The speaker baffle is Baltic birch, but the entire case of the amp is made of aluminum and covered in this really cool looking carbon silver. So there you go, a quick tour of the Bogner Atma combo. If you have any questions about this or any other Bogner product, please make sure to contact your Sweetwater sales engineer, or you can check us out online at sweetwater.com. Thanks.